So I wanted to give a quick Japan update. Today I'm giving my 2-week notice. I'm resigning to my job in order to make it to Japan in literally a little bit over 2 weeks and stay there for 3 months. I feel nowhere near ready when it comes to my Japanese. I wanted to study intensively these past few weeks, but because of this new job, it's been very, very difficult. I've been making slow and steady pace. I just wish I was at a little better rate right now. I did put my resignation letter today. It was scary, it was a little bit nerve-wracking, and the biggest fear I had was that they were just gonna tell me, hey, we don't need you here, just go home, which they have done in the past already with some people here, and it's been a problem to try to get your vacation days and whatever. One suggestion that I learned from the layoff of the company and the people, you know, having to leave the company in this past year is always take your days that you have to take off. If you're afraid of losing your job because of a day that you earn, I don't think you should be in that company. And that's one of the reasons why I'm leaving this current company that I'm in right now. I was happy that I quit today and I heard that I actually saved somebody's job, because I found out that they were about to fire somebody just because they needed to get rid of people for positions, and I'm happy I saved the job today. That's actually pretty cool. Right now I'm ready to go. Everything is on track. I am leaving to Japan in 2 weeks, in April 4th. So I'll be in Japan in April 5th and start having fun doing kendo and like posting everything I see from over there. Now, for the rest of the day, I'm gonna go to kendo, I gotta go to practice, and then after that, go home and try to study Japanese, because I'm nowhere near ready where I want it to be for this trip. Not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, to go get more footage with the drone to practice, because I'm excited to take that thing to Japan. I'm excited to see what kind of footage I can come up with, and I also have to learn fairly quick how to actually make good footage. I found myself flying randomly and then just like not knowing where to go and how it works, but now it's a little bit better. Also, I know I have to come up with more content for this when it comes to the wellness aspect, so please stay tuned, because I am coming up with stuff and I want to set up some series so that way you get the most value out of them. So I think today, because I'm gonna go to practice and then literally gonna get home by midnight and so on, I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog for today. Very short, but I do want to share some of that news about my job. I'm going to Japan in 2 weeks. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let me know what is it that you want me to talk about. What do you want me to tell you? So enjoy, have a good night, and see you next time.